Here we are.
Yes, we are.
See everything in the background? We are in Tuscany.
Yes, that's where we are.
Yep.
Okay.
So we are coming to you from my basement.
Yeah.
Awesome.
This is the new craft room.
This is the new craft room.
Keep on watching.
Don't worry. Go. Yeah, I am worried. Caroline, you can't see my arms. That's not good.
Caroline, what was this supposed to be here?
What, hon?
This like caged in area.
Oh, you know who did this?
We have to go lower if you want to see like the table. There's no table scene in here, Caroline. You don't see that. Hold on. Okay, now you look at. We're not doing that.
So we're here.
Hi, everyone. I'm hot.
Yes, quite humid out there.
Yeah, it is.
So today we thought we wanted to show you the new backdrop.
Yep.
As well as what we're going to do. I'm going to show some of you how I make my little mini purse charms. And Marianne, you and I did a tutorial, I think.
Way back.
Yeah, it's
Yep.
You have to look at our second or third video, the one
Yeah.
after we found the bird flying in the house.
Yes.
And you'll see how we make those. So I'm going to try and show you guys. I'm using a lot of the beads from what I was gifted, so thank you.
Ooh.
Yeah, some of those are
Wow.
from Deb Hendricks, and some also is from Karen. Hi, Karen.
Hi, Karen.
So it was a little hectic this morning because before our bike ride, I had to go to my daughter's confirmation retreat thing, and this is how I look right now.
You're
So,
fine.
I
Okay, I'm going to make. I did so well at the winery craft fair that I sold out all my wine charm bangle bracelets. So I'm going to make 11 more. I just got my charms in the mail the other day.
Where did you order them?
I ordered them from all over eBay and I believe Wish.
Did you try AliExpress yet?
I did.
What
that's
about
on that's my painting with diamonds, which will be another video that I
can't wait.
absolutely am addicted to. They're called either diamond dots. You can get them from Michael's, or painting with diamonds. There's a bunch of different names for them, but they're tiny little. That will be another video. Okay?
Yeah.
Gorgeous,
Can't wait.
addicting.
Really?
Yes, I wake up in the morning and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta do. And I sit with my little lamp and I do little dots all day.
You're good
I put
at
a
that.
timer on for 1 hour because I will sit there until it's done, which could take about 5 to 6 hours.
Oh my god.
That's how long. I made 2 of them already.
Oh my
Love.
goodness.
Love. Anyway,
But they come out beautiful.
That's what we're gonna be doing, and we'll come back with the finished product.
Or in the middle, and then the finished product.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we're back. And I finished my 11 wine bangle bracelets. Now I made each one, well, there's 2 different ones. I bought these charms, they're really heavy. And they're pretty big, but you know what? Some people like big charms and some people like little charms. So this is a big wine bottle, and each one has a wine, there's a couple of them. Wine bottle and so cute, a little red wine glass, and then I have on each one made with love with a heart and a little like bunch of grapes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I made that way. Okay, then these are a little different. It's a wine bottle, but it's on its side and it's lighter. It's definitely lighter, and it has like a cute little decoration squiggly thing on the bottom with a red wine bottle, glass, with made with love and a grape leaf. So there's I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for a total of 11 wine bangle bracelets for the next craft fair.
And it's when is it again?
My daughter's birthday, December 15th.
December 15th.
And if they don't sell then, they'll definitely sell in the summer at the winery.
Listen. Okay, what I'm doing here is...
You're going to cut all that out. So now ready, set, go.
What I'm doing is I am preparing for my mini purse charms. Now I used the tiny lobster claw clasps, not the large ones because those are for the larger purse charms. And then I put about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of chain. And I'm doing gold ones because I bought these gold
gold trim.
Gold trim.
Is it gold trim or is that silver?
No, it's gold.
No. Oh yeah, it is. I'm
gold.
sorry.
So I have, like I said, a ton of these that I bought. So obviously the metals have to match. Yeah, could you open them for me?
Yeah, I want to see what they look like.
Okay, I have other colors too.
But what are they?
They are little purses. So this is one that's done, like with the little.
How cute!
Yeah, and then this way, if you just want to go out and take your purse, you could still have.
Oh, that's a cute idea. Forever friend, your choice.
Yeah, and then I have the larger one.
Let me see
and
the
then
larger
I
one.
have then this one. I love. This
I love that one.
Yeah, because of the buckle.
Yeah, I just like that one.
Okay.
These are really nice, and it even has like a little
strap. If you wanna. So that's what I do first. No, I'm sorry, I'm lying. That's what I do second. First, I make all my charms. Now, Marianne and I were outside doing this because it was getting a little too muggy in here.
Yeah.
And what I do is I poured all those beads. I had no rhyme or reason, and I like to keep them different with different colors. So I just sat there, and for about what, an hour, 2 hours?
An hour.
An hour. I took a head pin. What is that what you call them, head pins?
Yes.
Okay. And I just took beads and just did little patterns, close it up. And I know I want to put 8 on each of these. So once I do all these, and once I make all my bead charms, and then once I set up my chain and my clasp, I just start doing them. So that's what I'm going to be doing.
So when we get back, all of her little mini purse charms will be complete.
Yes.
And that's a wrap.
That is a wrap.
And that is a wrap.
Okay guys, so here are my finished ones. So I finished them all and I made 5 of these. And now Marianne is helping me put them on the purses. How many did I make? Oh, that's why I got so many extra. I was supposed to make 6.
There you go. Okay, here, put on this one.
Okay, put on that one. Yeah. All right, so here is how it looks, like that. So this one I made mainly purple. Here's this one. It's a melon one. I made the melon one with green. It's like a lavender, right?
Yep.
This one's a lavender.
Yes, another lavender.
And another lavender.
That might be 4. Make sure this doesn't fall.
Oh yeah, because I have too many on one side.
Just be careful.
Okay. So that is, I know it's not really a tutorial, but that is just basically how I make these little mini purse charms on the purses. So this is what, again, I'll be having at our craft fair.
Yep.
And whatever doesn't sell goes to Etsy. So we want to thank you guys for watching on this Saturday, and I hope everyone's doing well. Please hit the subscribe button because we're going to be doing that the drawing for the giveaway soon.
Yes. What are we at?
915, I think. Wow. So we still need how many?
85. Yep. That was good.
That was good. Yeah, that was good.
I usually have to count on my fingers.
Me too.
Okay, thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye.